Hello everyone, I am Utkarsh Bhogna of class 11 from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Vadodara. Today I am going to demonstrate some activities and experiments on this plasma globe, and I am going to explain in brief what it is and how does it work. So here I begin. A plasma globe is a clear glass container filled with a mixture of various noble gases. At center you can see there is a Tesla coil. At the center of the container, this is what we call a high voltage electrode. So it was invented by Nikola Tesla. He called it as an inert gas discharge tube. The electric field around a plasma globe is strong enough to discharge mercury, helium, neon, and even the air itself gets discharged. Here you can see there is a fluorescent bulb. It is basically filled with mercury vapors which gets easily discharged when brought near a plasma globe. Let me demonstrate it to you. As I bring this fluorescent bulb above this coin, and if I join its terminal above it, you can see the bulb is starting to glow up. This is because this bulb contains mercury vapors at very low density, so they get easily discharged, making it look like this. The same happens with this light emitting diode, as you can see here. So now if I touch its terminal on top of it, you can see it's glowing a bit here. Here you can see it's glowing now. So these are some discharging property of this plasma globe. Here the total pressure is about 0.3% of the atmospheric pressure, and the gases are of very low density, so they get easily ionized. As I have already shown you, there are some rays passing through it. Here you can see there are some rays. There are some discharged inert gases. The most common noble gas used in this plasma globe is neon gas. It gets easily discharged and hence forming these kind of visuals. If I touch this ball, it enhances the discharging effect of the gas, and hence the electrons are passing through me. For example, I am standing on a ground and I am touching it. So you can see these are some visuals. The gas is getting discharged and I have already enhanced its discharging property. So by this earthing effect, it is getting easily discharged. There are some activities I wanted to show you. So now I have placed a coin on top of this plasma globe. So it is enhancing its discharging property. So if I brought my finger near it, you can see there are some sparks if I touch it. It won't hurt, but if you put your finger there for too long, it might get hurt. So this is what we call earthing effect. This is happening because I have placed my finger on top of it and it is enhancing its discharging property and it's going down the earth. So this is what we call the earthing effect, and at the plasma globe, this is how the earthing effect looks like. So now I have shown you many experiments on it. I have shown the discharging effect of bulb and the light emitting diode, and I have also shown you the earthing effect on it. So let's recap a bit. This is a glass ball, and inside it, you can see the mass of red color plasma. There it is stored. You know that the plasma is the fourth state of matter. It is placed on top of the Tesla coil, from where the gases are getting discharged. This is happening when I put my finger above it. This is happening because I am standing on ground and my body also contains a bit of charges. So that's why these particles are getting discharged. The gas inside this plasma globe is neon gas. We basically use some inert gas in a plasma globe. If I place my palm above it, you can see it is a bold ray of light. This is because the concentration of mass above it is greater than before. If I put my finger, you can see it's a bit less than if I put my palm above it. This is because the mass concentration of palm is greater than a finger. So that was all I have to say. Thank you.